It was by far the sweetest summer garden in all the world. Rolling meadows sighed and water sparkled like so many stars in the sky. The breeze went walking, whispering, wondering, is it time? Are they here? For even the wind knew there was something different about Audrey's ducklings, for they were long overdue.
Audrey? Great stars, where is that girl? That nest has to be somewhere around here.
Auntie Clump, hurry! The eggs are hatching.
Audrey, where are you?
I'm over here. This way.
Now I know you'll want to name one of the girls after me. Oh, now I wonder which one.
You mean you want to name one of my children Clump?
Well, yes, darling, but of course. Trouble is, your first hatchling is much too small to carry a grand name like Clump. And that second one is much too fluffy, and well, that girl's beak is so much bigger than mine.
Oh, I think my babies are perfect, just the way they are.
Try the last egg. It's big and round, just like you.
Did you hear that? Well, the nerve of some birds. You nosy robins, stay out of this.
Oh, Auntie, don't let those robins babble, dabble, gabble bother you so much.
Well, that's easy for you to say. Well, I'd walk right out of here if you weren't about to name this most beautiful egg after your dear old auntie.
Let me out. I want out. Hey, it's cracking.
Hello, everybody. What a beautiful world. It's so big and round, just like you, Auntie Clump.
You hear that? She's big and round, all right. Yeah!
Well, this one doesn't deserve a name. Little rascal. And he's ugly, too.
Hello. Bye-bye.
Come along, son. It's dangerous to walk alone. Stop that.
Sorry, Mother.
Come on in, kids. The water's fine.
Come on in, it's fun.
No thank you.
He's afraid. Ugly as a chicken.
I'm not. I'm a duck.
He'll swim when he's ready.
Who's that? It's me.
Hurry up, kids.
Mother, I don't look like my sisters, do I?
Lucky for us.
Son, are you a dawdler or a duck?
Duck! I'm a duck. I'm a duck. I'm a very happy duck.
Come along, children. We're going to meet someone very important today, so be on your best behavior.
Audrey knew to survive the harsh winter, her brood needed to be accepted in the local barnyard. But permission to stay would have to be granted by Lady Froof, mistress of yard and roost.
Now, children, beaks up, stay together. I want to see your very best waddles. It's time to meet Lady Froof.
No one crossed Lady Froof, no one dared. For only if you were a royal swan would Lady Froof stop to care.
Hey, small and ugly, who invited you?
Unfortunately for the ugly duckling, Lady Froof's barnyard flock had little patience with anyone even a little different.
Ugly.
Roundhead.
Excuse me, sir. You dropped this.
What? Hey, Dunk, what is that thing?
Don't know. It's ugly, it's small, and it's in my face.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt.
Beat it.
The ugly duckling's family finally won an audience with Lady Froof.
Hello, girls. I'm quite impressed. They're so well-mannered.
Wait for me. Sorry I'm late, your froofness. Say, you're big and round, just like Auntie Clump.
Well, I am not, little fool. How rude.
Who does he think he is, anyway? Ugly little clown.
Please forgive my son, Lady Froof. He means well. It's just that he's a little different, you see. Being a drake and all, he's high-spirited.
If that's a drake, I'm a skunk.
If he's a duck, let him prove it.
Yeah.
Go ahead, son. You show them.
Okay, here goes.
That's no duck.
Well, what if he isn't a duck? He is still my boy.
I've decided. He's far too ugly. Audrey and the girls stay. That goes.
Please, I can be a duck.
You heard her. Lady Froof's the ugly one goes.
Lady Froof, please wait. He's not so bad.
Look at me. I really am ugly. Oh.